Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, and here we've got the sound and vibration, so let's tap on it. As you can see on the very first section, we've got all the ringtones, so we can change the ringtone for calls, for alarms, events and notifications. So let me pick, for example, calls. And as you can see here, we've got 3 options to choose from. What's more, we can tap on all ringtones, and here our device is opening the full list of default ringtones from which we can choose something. In order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. If you are happy with your choice and if you are ready to decide that this one is your ringtone, then simply go back. As you can see, it immediately changes. Let's get back, and the same situation will be with the alarm and notifications and events. So let me pick notifications, for example. And as you can see here, we've got some options. What's more, we can tap on all ringtones, but let me pick something from here. For example, this one. Let's get back, and it also immediately changes. So that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.